Barakallahu fiqh, Ustad, is it important for everyone to know all the events mentioned in the poem in details? Yeah, it's good to know the details regarding the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. It is important that the person studies and learns these events that took place in the Prophet's life. Very important. The reason why I say it is because if you know your own biography, your own life, what happened, what took place, and you also give importance to knowing the life of your children and what they are up to and where they were born and where they died, then the messenger should be more beloved to you than your own children and yourself. You should be knowing more about the Prophet's life and about him than you know about yourself. So I definitely would say, take time out to study the Prophet's biography, and you would appreciate his sacrifice, the religion that you have today, the life that you're living today as a Muslim. To use the name Al-Islam, it's sacrifice that was done for it. There's a lot of things that the Sahabas went through in order to bring Islam to you. You have to study their lives to know it, so you can appreciate Islam.